lots of pictures and videos.
What did Mommy say? I didn't hear.
We're going to send you lots of pictures and videos.
Oh, right. Okay. Well, I'll wait for those then. And do you have a cake?
Yes. We're right standing by it.
All right. And what kind of cake is it? Do you know?
It's Rose's cake.
So Melanie, in a minute.
Okay. Very good.
And it has a bit more flowers.
You what? Say that again?
A bit more flowers.
Oh, yeah? Wow. You must be extra special. Are you a princess today?
All right, Melanie's on. Come on over here. See who else is on. Come on over here. All right, I'll just hold on.
Baby, happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right, and Grandma's on.
Yeah?
Waiting for we're doing the video chat.
Okay.
Tell Gabe we sent the invite.
All right.
That's a pretty dress you're wearing, babe.
Thank you. I'm gonna get Monkey.
I like that decorations behind you.
Oh, she's got the whole house decorated.
Does she? That's really cool.
Yeah, we'll walk it around.
That's neat, huh? Did you see what it is? The candles are on.
Of course, my brother's taking the longest.
Is my grandma Mom
Yeah.
on there?
But you
Can
can't
she
hear.
hear us?
Can you hear us?
Can you hear us? We can't hear
We
you,
can't hear
Mom.
you. We cannot hear you.
I'm cold.
Do you want a sweater?
No, I want to get
All right.
Did you text him?
Yeah, he just gave the thumbs up.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Be right there.
All right.
What is up with this guy?
All right.
What you got, Dulcinea?
Monkey.
Oh,
That's my
it's
favorite
cute.
monkey.
Who got her that monkey? Do you remember?
I forgot her name.
Elena and Melanie.
Elena.
And we read that book how many times? Too many, right?
What did I just do? God damn it.
Can you go click on there?
Oh my goodness.
Because it's still going.
No, that's something else.
So we did it again?
Yeah. Did I disconnect it?
You did. So you have to call Anna back. We were just. Oh, there she is.
She is.
All right, now I gotta
Ready,
figure.
Gabe? All right, Grandma.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
What's that noise you made?
I just said.
So where's...
Oh, I see. I'm supposed to add it up there.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, good.
I'm still here too.
All right.
I miss you, Grandma.
I miss you too, baby.
We'll see.
Are you gonna send us virtual cake? Do we get virtual cake?
Yes.
That's all we care
Do you
about.
want
Can you
your
call
cake?
him?
He said, be right there.
All right, call him.
Don't worry about it. Can you see the cake?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Did you make that cake, Dulcinea?
She did. She's a baker.
I'm trying to get Gabe
I
on.
see.
He's not getting on.
Dulcinea, I seen your picture licking the
Can you
wood.
hear me?
Yeah.
Was it good? Chocolate?
Chocolate, right? And pink roses. She made roses and sprinkled. Why is it
There's a lot of static.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's because of your phone or something?
Maybe it's your
I don't know.
Grandma,
What, baby?
I got one of your presents.
You got what?
I got one of your presents.
Oh yeah?
No, I'm off. I
Yeah,
cannot.
want to see it?
Grandma's not on it anymore?
She's not on it anymore. So it's something to do with somebody's speaker on their end.
Alright. Mom, do you have to
What?
use your headset?
Yes, because I can't hear you otherwise.
Alright. Alright. So we're just waiting for Uncle Gabe and Auntie Selena.
Yeah, and Declan.
Yeah, we're trying to do this thing.
I think Gabe was just trying to call.
All right, I'll try again.
And then we'll find. Yeah.
Okay, sending you the invite now.
You got
Okay.
good moves, Dulcinea.
The sophomore must be glitchy.
All right, we see it.
Do you see him?
Yes.
All right. Are we ready to sing Happy Birthday?
Yep.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You just gotta call Grandma really quick. Other Grandma. All right, ready?
All right, we're back on.
Okay, everybody there?
You
Yeah,
see the
we're
cake,
all here.
kinda?
Okay.
All right, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dulcinea. Happy birthday to you. Can you guys even see the candle? Yeah, you can see the cake right there. Just blew it
Good
out.
job. Are you gonna sing to us how
Just-
old you are?
Say again, I'm sorry?
How old are you?
Oh yeah, how old are you?
6.
You gotta sing it. You know how to sing it?
How does she sing it?
Say, I'm 6 years old.
No? You don't want to do that? Should we show everyone the house and how it's all decorated?
Yay.
Alright, and then we're going to open a present. So we're going to show you how Amy decorated the house. Alright,
That's so cool. I love that.
so you stand there so I'll have the camera on you. Tell me if you could see you in the camera. Oh, you know what I could do? I know what I could do. I could click on this. I click on this so I could have the camera. I'll unplug this. Yeah, so that way I can see what you guys can see. All right, here we go. Dulcinea, you want to stand over here? So, all right, I'll follow you around.
You show them everything?
Oh my god, you put lots of work into that.
Oh yeah, stand over there. Stand over there by the 6 over there.
Oh my god, I love it.
So she did the 6 there.
Oh.
And then you want to go over to the other place? Right here. And then she did the 6 over here. And then here's some presents that we have already.
Here's Grandma's present.
There's Grandma's present. Another
Here's
present.
Daddy's present. Here's Mommy's present. Here's Auntie present.
Yeah.
Here's Tessa's present.
Does the video come in, guys? All right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's cool.
All right.
And then show
And
them
then
your
let's show them the
and
pinata and
your-
stuff.
Then we can open your present.
We're going to go to the pinata. And she's got all this set up too.
Nice pinata.
Can you guys see that?
Very cool. Yeah.
All right.
Good job.
All right.
All right, so now we're gonna open up a couple presents, but we're gonna save some presents for the classmates at 1 o'clock.
Can we see his dress?
Say again.
Your dress.
All right, let's see your dress. Hold on a second.
You gotta stand up.
Oh my god, love it. His
She
slippers.
got that from her birthday last year from Jamie.
Yeah, Audrey gave it to me. My
We want to show some presents for the classmates.
Okay, whatever, Nathan. Just do whatever you want.
Do whatever I want.
Yeah. Okay,
You
listen.
want to open everything.
Stop.
You okay? I can't see your face though.
Can you see it?
There you go,
There we
that's
go.
better.
I can barely see you. Oh, that bright-
So who's this from?
Grandma.
All right, this is from Grandma. All right, Grandma. We'll talk to you later.
Okay.
I want to
Thank you.
Okay, I'll wait for the picture.
right, thank you.
My own brush!
Nice.
Do you have any idea what it says on there?
What is that?
No? No. Wait, why did I say that?
All right.
The brush or the brush?
This she told.
Oh, okay. What she said?
Let's see what it says.
All right, cool.
All right.
Brushes are my favorite. It's a joke.
Oh, I know what that is. Skateboard.
Hoverboard.
What is it? Is it an American Girl doll?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an American Girl case?
Yeah.
All right.
Open it up.
Open up the next one then. We'll see.
This is how pretty.
You want to open this?
Yeah, let's look at.
All right.
Let's see what's inside. It's an American Girl suitcase.
Are you serious?
There you
Why
go.
don't you get one of those?
American Girl suitcase.
If this says American Girl, what do you think this says?
American Girl brush.
Yeah.
All right, so let's open up the next one.
I bet it's American Girl doll.
All right, you gotta watch out for the cake there. I'm gonna move the cake. Oh, what happened here? Oh no, that's something else. Move this here.
All right.
Oh boy.
What?
All right. What do you see? Look at it.
What is it? All right.
You want to
I
open
open it.
it? It says 8 and older. Are you 8?
I think she's 16 today, right?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's her book. Yeah. Do you want to show them her?
Nice. So you just put it right there. Yeah.
Yeah. Or
Right
the
there.
doll.
Yeah.
You want to show her the doll? I think she's stuck in there, but you can just pick her up like that. So everybody.
Oh, she's beautiful.
I always wanted an American Girl.
You got one now. Thank you, Grandma.
Show me. Take a picture again with her. Stand up with her. So I can take a picture so we can show. There we go. Good.
Yeah.
Here, Grandma. See if your mom's can.
Grandma, you did good. You picked out the exact one she wanted. Grandma, can you hear us? I can't hear Grandma.
No, I can't hear Grandma either.
Grandma, we always
This is
lose
awesome.
you.
That's my favorite gift.
Are you so excited? Yes. All right. You want to say thank you for singing happy birthday? And we'll mail you guys the cake.
Oh, I
Thank
can't wait to
you.
get my cake in the mail.
We're just
Love
kidding.
you, Dulcinea.
No,
Happy
Say
birthday.
love you.
Love you.
Thank
Cool.
you. Tomorrow.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you in a bit. Thank you so much.
Love
Wait
you
a minute.
guys. Oh, wait.
What's up?
When you cut orders.
Well, Elmhurst family, Dulcinea is super excited about her birthday hangout
Playing
tomorrow.
in the background somehow.
I want to send a quick tutorial to make sure that we all understand how to use Hangout.
What is that?
It's
I'm on Bing right now. I'm opening a new
I
tab.
know, but I didn't click on
I'm in
it.
the upper right corner. It's gonna
Gabe must have
my
clicked on her
Google
somehow.
account. It's got me in the middle. And click on the dial pad in the upper right corner. Then click on the dial pad. Scroll down to Hangout. Click on Hangouts.
Gabe, I think you clicked on that.
We'll send you a call, a video
You
call,
get an
and you'll
awesome-
accept the call.
What is that?
You don't need initial info. You just need to be on the page at 1 o'clock
And this is the only
and
brush you can use to
accept
brush
my
your hair.
call.
You can't
All right,
use
we
any
were
other.
again